In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at the very beginning you need to open the settings, then find and select security, and you will notice fingerprint here, smoothly marked. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern and just provide the pattern. Tap on next and then re-enter it just to confirm. And that's it. Now personalize the notification content. Tap on done after picking the proper one and click on setup. So you've got the sensor at the back cover of your device, so if you'll turn it around, you will be able to notice it right here. So just place your finger on the sensor and keep tapping until it is fully added. On your display you can observe the progress. So just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor. And that's it. So just tap on done to finish the whole operation, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern or smoothly with your fingerprint. So just place your finger on the sensor and here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.